Welcome to my channel, How to Knot, and in this video here I'll be showing you how to tie a surgeon's knot. A surgeon's knot is typically either used for general purposes or fishing. Start by wrapping the working ends around once, then once more time, giving a total of 2 times. Loop back and wrap again. Tighten and dress accordingly. This knot was originally used by surgeons on sutures. Due to the higher area of friction, it does tend to withstand the chance of loosening. Unfortunately, it can be somewhat bulky and does create somewhat of an angle between the two ropes. This concludes the rest of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more knot tying videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.